Guess who's back?
Hey, welcome back to Midas Letter
Guess who's back?
What's happening, Eddie? Do you know where I've been, man?
Judging by your new accent, I'm going to suggest you went to Jamaica, man.
Scotland, man.
Scotland, man.
I was a tosser. No, I was just in Jamaica for 2 days on a private jet. I love saying that.
Now, how much did you have to pay for that trip?
Zippo Bippo. Free from end to end. Free. I didn't bring a
One, two, free.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it was free. I was there as part of a tour that was being shown what is going to become probably one of the most interesting ideas to come out of cannabis deprohibition, which is the idea of cannabis tourism. So you're going to be able to, yeah. So imagine this. You're thinking about where you're going to go for your honeymoon, or for your birthday, or for your Christmas break, or for whatever. And you come across this ad in the corner of the Toronto Star, the Washington Post, or the New York Times, and it suggests...
I want you to say this in your Jamaican accent.
I can't, man. That would be offensive to the people there, because I'm sure I'm fucking it up somehow.
I didn't say Ireland. I said
See, you're complaining.
Jamaican.
You're demanding and complaining the Jamaican accent in the same sentence.
Okay.
That's
I'm pulling your leg.
I'm pulling your leg.
I see. I got to be honest with you.
Let go, will you?
Jesus, let go.
Jesus, let go. Is Jesus here? Jesus better not be here, because if he is, there's going to be a ton of confusion.
Ball of confusion.
That's what the world is today. Hey.
Ball of confusion.
People everywhere. I don't remember the words to that song, but
either. Ball of confusion.
Ball of confusion.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. So
I've noticed. How was Friday? You and Fraser were up here?
Fraser, I'll tell you, Fraser's got some shall we say, revolutionary ideas.
Does he? That worries me.
Revolutionary.
Well, can we cut to the control room and see what Fraser's...
Why was he wearing like a red tam, for instance?
A red tam?
Yeah.
He was wearing a red tam on the show?
And camos.
What? No.
Revolutionary Fraser. Like
Shea Toms? Shea Frazera?
Shea Gazera.
Shea Frazera.
He looked a lot like Shea Gazera.
Oh my gosh.
Drove a diesel van.
So, have you noticed? I've noticed that the comments are
getting a little more acerbic.
Yeah, they're like there's a little abusive.
Well, you know what? You know what they used to. What I've heard them say.
What's that?
They don't shoot dead ducks.
Okay. Give me 20 minutes. I'm gonna go figure out what that means. I'll be right back.
20 seconds. 20 seconds. They don't shoot dead ducks. In other words, they don't assail everything that's hunky dory. They go after. They're having too much fun. Let's take them down a notch.
Oh, really?
That's what it's all about.
I'll make him feel like shit, so I'll feel better.
Oh, I feel
what a strategy.
So much better.
And superior.
Well, look.
Listen to how smart those motherfuckers are. We better take them down a peg, so I am smarter.
Look at MedMen. How smart is that? Down 45 cents.
Well, they just announced a big bought deal. Did you see that? Big bought deal, $75 million.
75.
75. Led by 8 Capital.
And you think that 8 Capital? Well, let's see. 75. Let's say 7%. 75. That's a nice number. $5 million right there.
$75 million is a nice number.
75 times 0.07. That's about $5 million. I'm saying there's about $5 million in fees. Probably closer to 7 or 8 million fees.
Well, you're already collecting their paycheck for them.
I'm just saying.
Boy,
I wouldn't mind.
You're a real dyed-in-the-wool institutional investment banker.
Let's call up that firm and see if we can get a job there in their capital markets division.
8 Capital?
And just in time to distribute that $5 million commission.
I don't think we'd be subject or party to the commission.
You don't think we'd?
If we started today and they closed it yesterday.
Yeah.
I think we're fucked. Damn. We're out of the room. We're out of the deal.
I'm talking out loud. I'm trying to figure out ways.
You know these investment banking firms? If there's a way to cut you out, it will be done.
Let's figure out ways for you and I to get in some of this action.
I'm already in on the action.
Oh, okay. You are?
Yeah. What do you think? I went to Jamaica and you stayed here.
This little piggy had none.
Well, you know, it's the ladder. It's the pyramid. So while I'm trying to climb up, I've got all the guys ahead of me stomping on my head and on my hands, trying to make me fall off the ladder completely.
Right.
And meanwhile, right now, you know, you're on the ladder right over there next to me, and
right.
You've had your hands stomped on and your head stomped on.
I'm holding up here by the bottom rung.
And you're dangling.
I'm
you're
dangling.
100 feet above
I'm dangling.
the ground.
I'm a bit of a dangler.
But I'm going to go knock a few heads up here, and I'm going to grab you, and we're going to go up together.
You're going to pick me up a bit.
We're going to take it all straight.
Now look at that's Tilray. That's
I think now we can call it Tilroy. Because Tilray was $300. This must be Tilroy because it's only 103.
So
Tilray.
A turd.
So Tilray.
It's a turd. It's acting like a turd.
It's
acting like a turd.
It is turty tree and a turd of the price that it was.
It was, but it was only there for one brief second.
So, do you think this has catalyzed a broad market-based reversal in the?
Well, you know, we saw the Constellation in cash injection back when we saw it.
What Constellation clash? Oh, you're talking like we're talking 4 weeks ago.
I know, but so that caused so that was an event that caused everything to turn around and giddy up, and now we've had this Tilray to maybe
secular reversal, not to be confused with a sexual reversal, but it did catalyze. I think the best way we could say that, Edward, in our most erudite way, would be it catalyzed a secular reversal.
You know, there's another word that I learned here.
Word of the day.
It's called word of the day. It's Schnapsidee. Schnapsidee. Schnaps being the German word for booze, Idee being idea in German, Schnapsidee, I-D-E-E.
You're just making this shit up.
No, you put them together. It's a German word, and you know what it means? It means those ideas that you have while you're inebriated that make so much sense, and then you wake up in the morning and you think, that's not such a good idea. You know, Schnapsidee.
Schnapsidee.
Drunk, confused, brilliant strat. Oh my God, I figured it out.
I like it because it has the same sort of connotation as whoopsie-daisy.
Well, you ever notice at night after you've had several libations and maybe a nice toke on some nice
hashish,
you're thinking, oh my God, this is brilliant. You can't sleep, and you wake up in the morning the next day and you go, that's a stupid idea.
Well, I'd be lying through my teeth if I didn't. Had that happen.
You know. And it's called the Schnapsidee.
Schnapsidee.
Schnapps.
So it's a phenomenon.
It's well, it's
You're
German.
Gonna look it up now, aren't you?
It's a German word.
While you're doing that, we're going to take a quick look at our indexes here. I've got the And you know what kind of day it is? What kind of day would you say today is overall? Red or green? Take your pick. Red or green?
I'm going to say red.
Really? You sure you don't want to revise that?
You know what? The only thing I've noticed is that canopy growth is up big.
Yeah.
It's the one.
Yes.
The one that's not acting like all the others. Like just about everything I'm looking at today. But you know what else is acting well? Really well.
What?
And we had. Can
we get the
Jeff Bennick
indexes up there on?
You know who Jeff Bennick is?
No.
He's the CEO of Aleafia.
Control room. Stage to control room. Can we please have the index?
Little less fun.
There we go.
Little less fun in there.
Less. This is one of the comments I heard last week, Ed. Less table pounding. They clearly don't know who we are. We are table pounders.
Well, maybe you are.
I'm a damn table pounder.
I'm not.
No,
you know what? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get some walnuts. And just when you're not looking, you're about to come down on the table, I'm going to put a walnut there and you crack that baby open for me. And I'll be able to eat my walnuts with impunity. No.
I think that'll hurt my head, won't it?
Well, we're not worried about your fucking head.
I think you're going to get to eat too many walnuts before I'm in a cast and I'm limping off the side of the stage.
And furthermore, and
I'll be like,
what's that over there? And furthermore, doesn't that just piss you off? And furthermore, crack.